Good morning students. As second part of the video, you can see question 5. A jug containing 1.5 liter of water. Jug containing of water is equal to 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter. 1.5 liter. After that, leak. Before I can start the leak, leak water. Leak water is equal to 865 ml. 865 ml. After that, then I pour 1 liter of water. Again pouring of water. Pouring of water is equal to 1 liter. So firstly, how much water is leaked out, you can subtract from the total and you can add 1 liter water. First method. Second method, total water you can take that 1.5 liter water and what water he poured again as in the jug, 1 liter water. After that adding, you can subtract 865 ml. So in this way you can do, and also you can change ml into liter. So you can divide by 1000. So 865 by 1000, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000. So you can divide by 1000 and it will be liter, and you can write that 0.865 liter. In this way you can change in liter. After that you can do, so first step, you subtract the leak water from that 1.5. Remaining water, you can say remaining water in the jug. Remaining water, what is there? 1.5 liter minus 0.865 liter. You can subtract like that. 1.5 minus 0.865. You can change in the like decimal and you can increase 0 here. After that you can subtract 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 6 3, and 4 minus 8 will not go, so it will be 14. 14 minus 8 6. Here nothing. 0.635. 0.635 liter. After that he poured 1 liter water in the jug. So asking question, how much water in the jug now? Water in the jug now means 0.635 remaining right there, 0.635 liter and plus 1 liter. So it means it's equal to 1.635 liter. 1.135 liter as water remaining now in the jug. So this is answer 1.635. After that, question number 6, you see. Question number 6, you see, Sachin's weight was 52.8 kilogram before he became ill. In the first week, he lost 2.9 kilogram, but in the second week, he gained 0.72 kilogram. What was the total weight at the end of the second week? So Sachin's weight was before ill Sachin weight was before ill. How much? It was 52.8 kilogram. 52.8 kilogram. In first week he lost the weight. In first week he lost the weight is equal to 2.9 kilogram. 2.9 kilogram. But the second week he gained 0.72 kilogram. In second week he gained weight. He gained weight. How much? 0.72 kilogram. 0.72 kilogram. So asking question, what was his total weight at the end of the second week? Total weight at the end of second week. Question mark. So firstly, you subtract that lost weight from the total weight. So remaining weight in the first week, remaining weight in the first week is equal to 52.8 kg. 52.8 kg minus 2.9 minus 2.9 kg. So 18 minus 9, 9 point here. Here it will be 1, 1 minus 2 will not go. So 11 minus 2, 9, here will be 4. 49.9 kilogram. So remaining weight 49.9 kilogram. After that, total weight at the end of second week. Now total weight at the end of second week is equal to that remaining weight. You take 49.9 kg and plus what he gained at the second week. What he gained? 0.72 kg. 0.72 kg. You connect together like that. 49.9 and 0.72. 0.72. You connect together 2, 9, 7, 16, 6, 1 carry, 9, 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 4, 1, 5. 50.62 kg. 50.62 kg. This is answer. 50.62 kg at the end of the second week. He gained the total weight as means he had the total weight 50.62 kg at the end of the second week. Question number 7 you see. Question number 7. A book is 5 cm thick and each cover is 1.5 mm thick. How thick is the book without its covers? So a book is 5 cm thick and each cover is 1.5 millimeter thick. So how thick is the book without its cover? Each cover means there is only 2 cover. So thickness of the book without cover. a book is thick by 5 centimeter. Each thickness of each cover. Thickness of each cover equal to 1.5 mm, 1.5 mm. It has two cover, so 1.5 mm plus 1.5 mm. It means total 3 mm. Total 3 mm. And it is given centimeter. Thickness of book is given centimeter. So you change the cover thickness in centimeter. It will be 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. It will be 3 by 10 centimeter. It means 0.3 centimeter. 0.3 centimeter. After that, thickness of book without cover. Now asking question, thickness of book without cover is equal to 5 centimeter minus 0.3 centimeter. You can subtract as 5 centimeter, 0.3 centimeter, 10 minus 3, 7, here 4, 4.7 centimeter. 4.7 centimeter, this is the answer. 4.7 centimeter. So thickness of book without cover. Thickness of book without cover, that is 4.7 centimeter. So I hope you will complete today only this exercise, and you will also complete mental maths 1 to 15 question, page number 126, and you try to do multiple choice question within 2 days. So I am giving 2 days, and I hope you are revising the question before for the yearly exam. So you are revising the questions. I told after the exam result that you try to revise 5 to 10 questions daily in the revision copy, and you do what I am teaching nowadays. So in mental maths page number 126, you revise yourself. If you feel any problem, you can contact me within 2 days. And multiple choice question also you do, and chapter test also you try to do. Chapter test, if you feel in the chapter test any problem, you can ask me, and you can contact on my phone number and WhatsApp number. And next tomorrow I will start last chapter, algebra, chapter number 7, as with the 2 videos, part 1 and part 2. So for today's class, thank you.